so crazy because I've been gone from YouTube for like so long. It's like I quit or something, but I didn't quit. But I'm back and I'm blonde. I don't know why I'm speaking like Oprah when she's like about to give out some cars or something, but well guys, I am so excited to be back. I feel like I'm being like weird and awkward on camera because like it's been so long since I filmed, but I'm back to share with you how I got my hair this blonde. I am just really excited to share the process with you. This is obviously a wig that I made, and this is not a unit that I purchased, so I'm not going to take you through the making of the wig, but if you're interested in figuring out or learning how to make your own wig, I will link a video down below that I thought was really helpful for me when I started making wigs and that kind of thing. So check that out down below in the description box. That's where you're going to get all your information about everything that I'm not talking about in this video, but specifically in this video I wanted to show you how I achieved this color from black, like natural black, using Ion Color Brilliance. Now this video is in collaboration with Sally Beauty, so first and foremost I'd like to say thank you so much to Sally Beauty for collaborating with me on this. If you would like to figure out how to go blonde from black and to achieve this look that I have right here, then keep on watching. Okay, so I want to chat to you a little bit about the dyeing process. I used all of Ion Color Brilliance products for this. It's such a great line, and honestly, like, I've been dyeing hair for many years, like maybe 10-12 years, and I've used so many different products like from the beauty supply, but this Ion Color Brilliance collection has been like really incredible to use because in this specific range it has everything that I've needed. And I had a very good experience with hair dyeing, and I didn't have any like crazy things happen to me. So the first thing that I did is I started on raw hair, like virgin hair. I had a 360 unit that I bought from AliExpress. I'll leave the vendor down below as well. And then the rest of the bundles are from Sally Beauty. Like, if you didn't know, Sally Beauty actually sold virgin Remy hair. They do. That is what's on my head right now. It's super good quality, and I know that because look how much I've dyed this hair, and it's still like living, and it still looks really natural. So here is a picture of the hair that I used. I had 3 bundles of that virgin Remy hair, but I only ended up using 1.5 bundles. And here is a picture of the 360 lace frontal that I got from AliExpress. Now, what I also loved about this Ion Color Brilliance line is that it has this professional hair color kit with every single thing that you need in the kit, as well as instructions on the back. So for this video, you're going to need one mixing bowl. You're going to need a tint brush. And then you're going to need some gloves. I used this powder lightener from Ion Brilliance and this 40 volume developer, which I needed a 40 volume developer because of how much I had to lift off the hair. So the first thing that I did is take this Color Brilliance and I just poured some of the powder into this. And then once I was done with that, I added my 40 volume developer. And then I just continued to mix this until I created a medium consistency smooth paste. So I just took the formula and I applied it from ends all the way to roots, and I continued doing that. I made sure to leave about an inch difference, or 1.5 inches on the top. I know because these are tracks, this is not something that you're necessarily going to see, but when the hair is parted, when the wig is done, I did want the roots to be darker as well because I didn't want any tracks to be visible at all, just in case. So I continued this process throughout all the hair so that it lifted. So this is what the hair looked like after I had completely covered it. Then I'm going to show you what it looked like after I rinsed it one time. So this is a picture of it being lifted one time, and I'm going over it a second time so that I can lift more of that yellow because I wanted it to be as light as possible, but I do feel like the hair could only really take 2 rounds of this lifting at one time. So then after I shampooed that out, I went in with the bright white from the Color Brilliance toner, and I toned the hair with this color just so that I can get rid of that yellow color, and I wanted it to be whiter and lighter and more blonde, cool tone, should I say. So I just took that toner, added some developer, and applied that on the hair. This is a picture of what it looks like before and after. So on the left side I have the hair that was lifted twice, and then on the right side I had the hair that was lifted twice and toned with the bright white from the Color Brilliance line. Now, I had so much fun coloring my hair. This hair style and this hair color was so easy to achieve. The only thing that you need is the Ion Color Brilliance line and some patience. I'm definitely interested in making more hair videos, hairstyling videos, wig videos, that kind of thing. If you want to see that content from me, then give this video a thumbs up. As well as if you like this hair color, please comment down below and let me know what you think. Should I keep it blonde? Should I go back to black? Should I add some color? I'm so inspired, and I'm ready to like play and just like be more adventurous in 2018. So let me know what you guys think of this hair video, and if you would like to see more content like this. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you Sally Beauty for sponsoring this video. I had a lot of fun working with you guys and creating this video, and I just want to do more hair stuff. Like, heck, it is so fun just to play and like transform your look. And I know I'm like touching my hair like 1,000 times, but it's just because I'm not used to seeing my hair this color. Wow, it's like crazy. It's so different. Also, let me know if you guys are interested in seeing makeup tutorials of the way that I do my makeup now that I am blonde, and the kind of makeup looks that I think work great with this color hair and that will accentuate your features with lighter hair as well. It's something that I'm still exploring and figuring out, but I've changed my makeup routine to suit this a little bit, and I'd love to share that kind of stuff with you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I appreciate you guys so much. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel if you have not already. If you are interested in makeup tutorials and product reviews, that is the kind of content that I make here on my channel. So this would be a great time to subscribe and join my YouTube family. I have so much more content coming because I am back and it feels great. Alright, so that's everything that I have to share with you guys today. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless you, and remember, don't let anybody dim your glitter. Bye. I'm wondering if blondes have more fun. How do you keep a blonde busy? Right flip on both sides of a sheet of paper. How do you keep a blonde in the shower all day? Hand her a bottle of the shampoo that says lather, rinse, repeat. This one's funny. What did the blonde say after glimpsing a box of Cheerios? OMG, donut seeds. Why do blondes stare at orange juice containers for hours on end? Because they say concentrate. Why did the blonde put her iPad in the blender when she was trying to make apple juice? Okay, I'm done. This is so corny, I can't even. Wow.